Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a usable and grabbable tool in Roblox Studio using a Katana model. This method works fast and is perfect for beginners in 2026. First, go to the Toolbox, search for Katana, then switch to the Models tab. Pick a Katana sword you like and insert it into your game. Next, go to the Workspace, right-click it, select Insert Object and choose Tool. Now, drag the Katana mesh into the tool. Rename that part to Handle. This step is very important, otherwise the tool won't work properly. To make the sword fit correctly in your character's hand, open the Grip Editor plugin. If you don't have it yet, install one from the Plugins tab. I've linked a tutorial in the description. Use the editor to adjust the position, rotation, and orientation until it looks natural in the character's hand. Now click play. Walk your character to the sword and pick it up from the ground. If everything is set correctly, your character should now be holding the katana properly. And that's it. You've just created a working tool in Roblox Studio.